In this short video, we're going to have a look at how you can personalise your content on Ada Computer Science. Once you've logged in and you click on My Ada, go down to the Account tab in the left-hand menu. From here, your account page, you can see a number of tabs that allow you to customise your experience. This first tab, Profile, gives you the same information that you gave when you registered your account. You can change anything here and then click Save. The second tab, Customise, allows you to change what sort of content you see. There are 3 areas here. This first area allows you to choose which exam boards you teach so that you can filter content based on that. For example, you might select A-level and choose the AQA exam board. You can also add more content. So I'm going to go ahead and choose GCSE and AQA as well. When I save this, this will now affect what topics I see. For example, if I go to sorting algorithms, I can see that topics that are in yellow match my chosen specifications, but those that are greyed out do not. If I were to click on Insertion Sort, for example, I also get a message explaining that it's not part of my selected preferences, and there's also a link to go back to that Customise tab to change those. This is a useful way to ensure that teachers and students focus on the correct topics for their exam specification. Also on the Customise tab, there is another option to change your preferred programming language. You can choose from 5 options, which correspond to the languages used to demonstrate algorithms. For example, I'm going to choose Python. I'm going to click on Save, and then if I go back and locate a bubble sort algorithm, I should see that if I go to one of these algorithms here, notice how the first tab highlighted is my Python tab, but I can still click on the other languages and see all the different ways we have written our algorithms. Another option on the Customise tab is the preferred logic notation. There are 2 flavours of logic notation. The first one is used by most exam boards, and the second is used by AQA. If I was to choose this first one and click Save, I'm going to go and look at another tab about De Morgan's laws. So these are some examples of Boolean expressions written in the AQA style. But if I refresh this page now, I can now see they are written in the other style of Boolean algebra, which corresponds to what I selected in this option here. The other tabs on my account are Security, where you can change your password and link to other accounts. You can also log out everywhere. Teacher Connections, which shows other teachers you share groups with, as well as students who have allowed you to view their results. You can also remove connections here, and you can view any of your group memberships here. The next tab is Notifications, where you can set your email notification preferences. We have Accessibility, which allows you to enable various accessibility features. And then the Beta tab, which includes features currently being tested that you can turn off or on. This is likely to change. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the various options we have given for personalising your account on Ada Computer Science.